Afternoon, YouTube. This is Matt. This will be a little rundown of the Tussle Creek Bend, little hip campsite. Kind of show you guys what we've got here. It's kind of hard to go by pictures sometimes, so I figured I'd use this platform on YouTube to kind of give you guys a rundown. As you can see, I drive down here pretty regularly in a two-wheel drive terrain. End of this video will be the drive in. Got any questions on can I make it? You know, what the drive in is going to look like. But this kind of give you a rundown of the size. Plenty of place to park a few vehicles. Good spot out here to park trucks or extra cars if you don't want to be in here. Plenty of room for tents. Plenty of trees for hammocks. Fire ring. Got a few things you could always use for cowboy cooking if you wanted. If you always stay, sign in. Much appreciated. What you saw, how the stay was. Box is always here, full of goodies. Birds, mushrooms, night sky. Just stuff to look at. If you see anything that you want to identify, hopefully they can help. And here's the main view. Creek's always nice. It never gets dry even in the dead of summer. There's Oscar the water dog. Always a good thing for kids to do. Kind of got a dam. Hadn't been messed with you here recently since winter, so it needs built back up. And here's the main attraction. Nice rock wall. As you can see, plenty of shade for the warmer months. A good thing about the creek here is this water comes out of the mountainside 5 miles up maybe, and it is always on the chilly side. So even in the dead of summer, it is nice and cool. But this is my favorite part of the whole site. Rock bottom. And that's the creek view. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, check it out on Hip Camp, Tussle Creek Bend. Been doing it for several years now, and most people enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Campsite's overlooking the dam here. Ankle deep right now. So feel free to let the kids, or if you're a big kid like me, upgrade the dam. It's been here for years. Makes a little pool here.